In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add multiple currency in Shopify. To get started, sign into your Shopify admin. From the left-hand menu, go down to Settings, then click Markets. Markets is where Shopify lets you control how your store behaves for different countries and regions, including which currencies shoppers can use. Once you are in Markets, find the specific market you want to update. For example, you might have an international market set up already. Next to that market, click Manage. This opens the settings that apply only to that market, so you can customize currency options without affecting other markets. Now click Products and Pricing. This is where you control how prices are displayed for that market and which currencies are available. In the Currency section, enable the currencies you want by checking the boxes. If you want Shopify to automatically show customers their local currency when it is available, select Local Currencies instead. This is a helpful choice when you sell to multiple regions, because it reduces friction for customers who prefer to shop in their home currency. Before saving, make sure Preview is selected. Preview lets you confirm how pricing and currency options will appear to shoppers, so you can catch issues early. Take a moment to scan what you see and confirm it matches what you intend for that market. When everything looks right, click Save. Next, you will want to make sure customers can actually switch their country or region on the storefront. Go to Online Store, then Themes. Find your current theme and click Customize. This opens the theme editor, where you can turn on the storefront selector that ties into your market and currency settings. In the theme settings, look for the header or footer options, depending on where you want the selector to appear. Enable the country/region selector. Placing it in the header makes it very visible, while placing it in the footer keeps it available without taking up prime space. Choose the location that fits your store design and shopper experience. Finally, click Save again to publish the theme change. At this point, your market currencies are enabled, and customers have a clear way to select their country or region, so prices display in the appropriate currency. That covers everything you need to know.